How to fix authentication is required error on Google Play Store. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow out to clear out the cache and data for the Play Store. So you can follow out the step-by-step solutions and you should be able to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So all we gotta do is go to the settings application first of all. And here, look out for the option called apps, scroll down and find apps and tap on it. And look out for the option called Google Play Store. So you can use the search at the top and go ahead and search for it as well. Just go ahead and type in Play Store and tap on Google Play Store. Once tapped on it, we just need to go over and look out for the option called Storage. And once tapped on it, we can tap on the Clear Cache option or also clear the data if necessary. Also clear the cache and data for Play services as well. So you can head back and again search for Play services, type in Play, tap on Google Play services. And once tapped on it, you can scroll down, tap on Storage, and tap on Clear Cache and clear out the cache for Google Play services as well. And also you can install the Play Store updates. So what we can do is we can just go over, and if there is any update for Play Store or let's completely uninstall it or disable it, you can just go over and do so, and again reinstall it. That should also fix the authentication is required option. Sometimes just going ahead and pressing the power button and tapping on the restart option can also solve the authentication issues. And also ensure that your phone's date and time are set to automatic in settings. You can go to settings for that and scroll down and find the option for general management. Tap on date and time and go ahead and turn on this option for automatic date and time, and you can confirm it up. And that should also fix the issue, as inconsistencies can also cause the login failures. And that's it everybody. Those are probably some of the solutions that we can follow up to fix that issue for now. So give this video a like and subscribe for more.